Hey guys, welcome back to another video with your girl Simple Sassy. So today I have decided to do a knotless braid in my sister's hair. So I already started the process. So guys, stay tuned, stay connected while I lead you through the completion of this knotless braid. So guys, I have already created my partition, and what I am about to do now is to add my wax gel to the root of the hair just to have that tighter grip whenever I am applying the knotless. So with this knotless, it is not start from the root as others do. What I did is to braid the hair an inch, then add the braid. Some persons tend to apply the hair extension closer to the root so that you have that realistic look. But what I have decided to do today is to braid the hair an inch or two away from the root, then add in the hair extension. So this is my first time doing this, so I am happy to see the end result. So guys, keep watching while I unfold this beautiful look. So you know, when you're feeding the braid, you need to ensure that you start with the smaller amount because you want it to have that realistic look. So here I am starting with a smaller amount, so I put it under the middle partition. Then I take the partition that is on my right and I place it over the partition that is in the middle, bringing the partition that is on my left underneath, and that partition that is on my left that came underneath then become the partition on my right. Once I've done that, I just continue to feed in the braid until it reaches to the complete braided knotless.
How it's supposed to feel.